Oh my god, I look bad. Hi guys, what's up? It's me back again with another video. Don't mind my appearance right now because in 1 hour we're gonna transform from this to, if you want to see how I transform from looking like this to that, keep on watching. So first things first, I'm heating up a straightener because we have to deal with this. But I'm gonna brush my teeth first. Okay, so now I'm gonna wash my face. Oh, can you get like electrocuted from water splashing on your straightener? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my face with my Laneige Hydrating Water Gel Moisturizer or whatever. And now we're gonna do my hair. I'm just gonna straighten it, obviously while I'm heating up a straightener. But first I have to brush it. Holy crap. How I'm going to straighten my hair is just section it in 2 parts just because it's a lot easier when you do that. Cute. Okay, my straightener is like a little wet because I splashed water on it, but I'm just gonna go through. Okay. Cute. So my hair is straightened. Oh. Just kidding. Oh my god, how did I miss so much? I was looking in the mirror. Okay, so this is the hair, just straight. I'm not doing too much to it. I just needed to like tame it and make it look a little better because it's like snowing right now and we're going out, so it's gonna get messed up anyways. But let's move on to the makeup. Okay, hi, I switched over to my better camera, but the battery is literally about to die. So if the quality all of a sudden changes of this makeup portion to this video, and my camera died. So I'm just gonna do like my regular everyday makeup. So I'm gonna start off with the Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer. I love this stuff. I'm gonna do my brows and be right back. Okay, so my brows are done. As always, they're kind of questionable, just don't worry about it. I'm gonna go into my foundation, the Armani Power Fabric, as always. I don't think I'm really gonna like talk through my makeup routine so much, just to like save time and save my battery on my camera, so I can get more footage like on my camera rather than having to switch through my phone halfway through. But if you want to see like the makeup routine I'm gonna do, it's basically what I did in my Get Ready With Me for No Reason video.
Okay. Like, are you talking to yourself?
I mean, like, kinda. So I just finished what is on Netflix of Suits, and I have to watch season 8. Season 8 is not on Netflix yet, but it's on TV, and I can watch it like on my Android box because I have an Android box, so like there's this thing on it that you can just like stream things that are on TV right now. And I need to watch season 8 because I forgot season 7 ends with Donna kissing Harvey. And makes me, I really want them to get together, and I don't remember if they do. Well, I actually don't know if they do because I've never seen season 8 at all, but I've seen the trailers. But I also don't know, like, is season 8 the season that Meghan Markle is not in? Or is that like everything else, basically? So stay tuned for my next video. I will probably have watched all of season 8 by then. And I'll let you guys know. I'll give you the rundown. I'll tell you what happened. Going to concealer now. My Fenty, as always lately. This is definitely going to be longer than an hour transformation because I've already been at this for half an hour. And I am like halfway done my makeup. Actually, you know, it might work out. I'm halfway done my makeup and I just have to pick an outfit after this. So we may actually make it. Oh, fuck. Oh my god, my back hurts so much. I still need to find a new setting position to film videos in because right now I just like sit on my floor and my back really hurts whenever I do it. Oh my god, whenever I use this translucent loose setting powder, all I taste for the rest of the time wearing makeup is peaches. And like it's kind of okay because it tastes good, but like it's makeup, so I'm like, okay, well there's obviously like chemical in it, so I don't really know what to do. Ugh. Okay, what now? Bronzer. Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. Duh. And I'm not even talking, like this isn't even gonna be good content video, okay? Anyways, I'm just gonna stop feeling rushed and start talking. So, I don't know what to talk about. Okay, so my camera did die, it literally just died, but I have like bake on underneath my contour just to, you feel me? I'm just gonna brush it away now because it's been sitting for long enough and I don't want it crazy. Hold on, there's like a spot right here that I didn't pick up. Can you see? Like it looks kind of weird, like that's not from the powder. I'm gonna put on my Kylie blush. Did we assume anything else? No, we didn't. Because this is literally what I always use. She cute, she cute. She makes me feel like summer even though it's winter and snowy and freezing cold outside. Oh, a little bit much. Okay, now we're gonna do highlight, and as always again, using my Kylie Cotton Candy Cream Blush. I love this highlighter so much. It kind of has like a pinky hue to it. in a way, like a slight one, and I really like it with the blush because the blush is like peach, and then there's like a little pinky rose gold like hue to this highlight, and yeah. Okay, so then on a small little pointed brush, I'm just gonna highlight my nose and Cupid's bow. Ugh, I love how this looks on my nose. Okay, so I'm just gonna put on some mascara. I'm gonna use my Tarte Lights Caramel Lashes mascara, and then I will be right back. This happens to me every time I do my mascara, and I'm left with the predicament of, do I leave it until it dries or like try and scratch it off? Because I'm impatient, I'm gonna scratch it off. So okay, we're just gonna have to live with it because I'm way too impatient to try and fix it. Cue outfit montage. What am I talking about? There's not gonna be an outfit montage. Okay, so this is the outfit that I'm wearing. Just this plain white t-shirt, these black jeans from Old Navy, and this gray coat from Forever 21. And then these Chelsea boots are from Softmoc, and this is the finished product. 1 hour transformation. It actually was 1 hour, surprisingly. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. My 1 hour transformation, hair, makeup, and outfit. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more. Yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.